Alright, so I'm going to replace the battery on my Harley today, and I think I know what I'm doing. We shall see. You need a 10mm wrench, need a couple of clips. I'm using clothespins, and you need a little straw. From what I understand, you don't necessarily need to take your seat off, so I'm not going to. Don't even know how to get this thing out of there. There we go. That's just hooked on this little thing right here, and probably this one is too. There we go. So those have to get out of the way. And then this thing comes off. Not exactly sure how. Alright, so I think there's a little thing here, and you just pull it off and pull this out. So push that up, take this thing off. Alright, do it with everything in my hands. But it's really windy out today, so let's see. This back here so we don't lose it. Alright. This clip right here. So you push this in, try to get this clip over it. I think I just did. There we go. And then this thing comes off. Where it goes, down there. Okay, good. And that'll hold those things back, maybe. It has to get out of the way more. Oh, I see, there's a nut down there. Let go. That's the nut. It goes on that. Don't lose it. And then this comes right off. Put it in there. Okay, now, battery should slide right out. There we go. Okay. Alright. Things are there. So, because regular Harley batteries are flush right here, these replacement batteries are not. Then you take this 10mm, and this is absolutely my first time doing this, if you can't tell. There, the wrong way. In there. Alright, this comes with the extra pieces that you need. I'm just going to get those out now. It's like, I mean, I don't want to lose them, but it's like Fort Knox trying to get into these little packages. There. Okay, now I got to take the positive off. And you absolutely cannot touch this wrench to any of the bike frame or anything while you're doing that, because you will electrocute yourself. So that one's a little bit scary, but let's go for it. Okay. And again, don't lose anything. The other one comes in here. Come on, get on there. There we go. Hold that there. Keep that over there. Alright, now the battery's done. And then you lift the new battery into place. There we go. So see how, I'll hold it over here. See how this one has, it's open inside? So that's why there's that other piece. Alright, get it up there a little bit. And I have to go to the bathroom, so I'll be right back. Bring this box in with me, because if I don't, it's probably going to blow away. Okay, I'm back. I didn't think I needed this piece, but I do to hold this thing out more. So now I gotta take it all off. Because this piece is hitting when I put it in. So, I get my little straw back in there. So that it doesn't move when I do this. I don't lose anything. This piece was the old one. And actually, because I kind of stripped this, I'm going to use a different one. Alright, so it goes here. Then this goes on here. You can see that little washer, bike piece, big, whatever this is called. Push this back up. Damn it. Where did it go? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, it's right here. Okay. Lose it in the engine. Alright. Set this back in there. These batteries are heavy. Alright. That back in there. I'm going to break my cover. This goes there. This goes on there. I think they'd spare a little bit of hose so that this would be a little easier to do. Don't drop it again, Chris. I'm going to start by just finger tightening it if I can. Hopefully I go the right way with this. Hold that right there. Oh, of course I'm going the wrong way with it. Turn it around. Is it even going on? Ah, it's loosening it again. Jesus. Oh, and I lost my little straw. Oh, what the ever-loving fuck. Alright, this out of there. Where's my straw? Alright, put this fucking straw back in there. Oh, Jesus, I'm fucking loosening it again. What the fuck? Oh, thank God I'm fighting it. Jesus, I can make sure that it's down. And otherwise, I will not so shit all over this. Alright, so, yep, and that's well, I'm just leave it over. Alright, let's see if that fits in there now. No! Ah! Is that in? This way. This on first. Thing on this. That wasn't good. I just touched the frame. Luckily I was not holding on to it when I touched the frame. Oh, there we go. Now it's tightening. I think these things have to loosen it slightly. Because this, I think, needs to go down there. Tighten it. And take the little straw out. Nothing broke it. These things go there. This clip goes here, and it's pretty useless. Oops. It's never really worked well at all. Harley, this was a really bad, cheap-ass design for this little plug thing here. Where is it? There. I need to stand up for a minute. Alright, I'm gonna open this. There we go. Open that, push that in. There we go. Yeah. Alright. Poof. That's the trick. Hold the top part open. was fun to do too. There we go. Oops, right. Alright, and it's a really nice day, so I'm going to go for a quick ride. Now I don't know what to do with this other battery. I know you got to do something specific with it. Woohoo, my bike! With a new battery, so I don't have to bring the battery charger with me all the time now. I do have to get some new saddlebags, because those are, or fix them or something. I don't know what I'm going to do, but anyways, my bike. So, thanks for watching and going through my first ever battery change with me. And hopefully next time I have to change my battery, it'll be so much easier and there won't be so many cuss words. Although, you know, maybe there will be, maybe there won't be. Anyways, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video. Peace.